Okay, just let me introduce myself first. So my name is Associate Professor Dr. Patama Satawedin. I'm currently the Director of Master of Communication Arts in Digital Marketing Communications Program from Bangkok University, Thailand. And my academic background is basically related to media and communications. I received bachelor's degree in public relations from Chulalongkorn University, Thailand, and also received a master's and also the PhD degree from Leicester University of the United Kingdom in media and communications as well. And the topics that I just present in the conference is entitled is Transforming Educations with the Futuristic ChatGPT. Basically, like the main purpose of this talk is to highlight the importance and the evolutions of the AI, especially like the ChatGPT in educational world. Well, I perceive like the COVID-19 pandemic as an like opportunity, because during like the COVID-19 pandemic, for me, I have to, not just only me myself, but also others people as well have to stay home for limiting like the numbers and the widespread of the disease. And for sure, we don't have, and I don't have to travel from one place to another place. So it means that we can avoid like the traffic congestions and traffic jams. So sometimes I have to face with like a heavy traffic jams. Instead, so I can spend more time with like carrying out works and also research study with a more level of concentrations and also focus as well. And I've got like a more more levels of happiness as well. So I think during that period of time, it's actually like a good time for me for like physical and mental management and also relief. So in my point of view, it's more productive and more creative works and also experience can be gained during that period of time. Okay, personally, I would prefer online conference, to be honest. The main reasons are to convenience and also the comfort for attending like the online conference rather than the physical conference. So it also helps widen like the opportunities for the scholars and also for the students who have got a limited budget in order to travel around, and also who have got like some kinds of the constraints, like for example, like the working load and so forth that they have to manage. So it's quite easier, basically, to attend like the online conference. Okay. Well, I would say yes. I respect the fact that offline conference can encourage the people for like the engagement and also for the participations among like the participants. But for me myself, in regards to like the questions that you have just asked me, arranging conference online can provide participants more convenient and more comfortable. To encourage the interactive engagement and participations between the participants live, I honestly feel very enjoyable and impressed when with an interactive and also the roundtable activity and discussions that provide by the Eurasia Research. Always when you arrange like the online conference, you have got like sessions that provide the participants to have like interactive discussions and also activities. So it means that it can help enhance and also encourage more engagement and more participations among the participants while online conference. Okay, so first of all, I would like to express my profound thanks for Eurasia Research for always thinking of me and inviting me as like the keynote speakers for several conference and many conference basically, which helped me a lot in order to open my points of view, my perspective, both in academic and also professional. And with participating like the conference, also I can get like different cultural experience and mindset. So I think that the Eurasia Research conference is such like the golden space for learning and experiencing and also making friends